A lot of time is usually involved in transforming CAD designs into appropriate production BOMs and other master data in Business Central. This time can be significantly decreased. Our solution uses data from various sources, and this data forms the basis for easy, automatic creation of production data in Business Central. An example of a source is data from your CAD system. You can also manually create a product if you do not want to use CAD data, or use an existing product as a basis for a new product or variant. Here's an example: a hydraulic cylinder as it looks in Excel based on data from the CAD system. We will now import this data and finalize it in CadConnect in a desired production appearance. In its simplest form, a CAD design BOM can be imported by mapping the Excel file data to fields in Business Central. Typically, the parts list of a CAD construction is a relatively flat structure that is not suitable for use in production. Therefore, the list must be adapted to the desired production method. Now the work starts by transforming the design BOM to the production BOM that the production technician needs to manufacture the product. Process and route data for the manufacturing process must also be added. Lines can be created, deleted, or changed, and the BOM can be expanded to more levels or, conversely, compressed to fewer levels. When the work is completed and a cost price has been calculated, the production technician can create data automatically: items, BOMs, and routes in Business Central. CadConnect includes several query functions for a product, for example, for a display of the total product at the detail level. The CadConnect solution reduces the work involved in creating production master data, so it takes a fraction of the time that is normally required. Our customers report work reductions of up to 90%.